Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I got knocked for a loop health-wise. But I'm back, and ironically, my girls need their immunity support roller refilled. So that's what I will be doing tonight. And we all know that how much we need support for our bodies in this season. So, I got my 10 ml bottle here, found it on Amazon, and I'm gonna go. This is the kids' dilution. I'm gonna go with 5 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Thieves. Fun little story about thieves. You should go look it up. 3 drops of frankincense. I swear I had it. If I do, I don't know where it is. I need to order more. 3 drops of lemon. Ooh, I think that was 4 or 3.5. I think I hit the edge on that one. And then 1 drop of oregano. Come on. Just one little drop. I'm gonna play nice. There it goes. There, just the one. Then I'm going to take my fractionated coconut oil, or whatever your carrier oil of choice is. I'm just a mess tonight. And there we go. That is it. I'm gonna pop that back in all the way, and it'll just take a little bit of shaking, or turning I suppose, and it's ready to go after I clean it. If you have labels on your bottles, like I do, you're going to want to be careful about the lemon, because lemon oil is good at removing sticky things like stickers, so I might end up having to give this one a new label. So that is it for tonight. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.